Greetings to you. So my name is Nnouka Steven, and I'm a full stack developer, and I have working experience with companies in my country, Cameroon, and with companies in the US and with companies in France. So I just want to share with you this morning what I'm doing on Saturdays. Yeah, so this is an application that we are currently building with NestJs. We started out this application with just basic Node and Express, and realized that it was growing and we needed more structure and we needed a more robust architecture. And so I stumbled on NestJs and found it really appealing for any JavaScript developer or a TypeScript developer. So here, and I just want to show you the structure of this application and try to show you what we get to do with this application and how we can be able to wire up things. And then if you have questions, you can drop them on the comment section on the possible things I could do, possible videos I could do for you, so that we can share in our wealth of knowledge with you. And so NestJs proposes that we have controllers, and we define our controller class, and it gives us a decorator, which is a controller decorator. You see, I've imported this controller decorator from NestJs common, and I've been able to give it a namespace, and also I've also imported this post decorator from NestJs common. And in this my post decorator, I give it also the route that I want it to map with this method that I have created. So this is telling the NestJs application that you should map this. If you look here, down here, I think we have it down here. You see, it has mapped. Nest is telling us here that he has mapped API version 1 public users register, and here he has also mapped API version 1 here. Yeah, this is what we are looking for, version 1 context register to a post method. Yeah, also NestJs also proposes that we have services which are providers that we inject to and we can use in our controllers. So if you know about the three-tier way of building your application, three-tier layer, like the presentation layer, the logic layer, and the data layer, which I don't want us to get into. Yeah, might not really. I don't want you to say something which I'm not very sure about. So here, I've been able to wire up repositories to my service, and in these repositories I've been able to inject models. If you look at this model, this is a Mongoose model that I define here. I define this Mongoose model. I have my schema that I take from NestJs Mongoose, and I define this model, and I define a document, and I'm able to use it in my repositories and write methods that will help me to access my DB. Of course, NestJs doesn't only support MongoDB. NestJs supports Postgres, supports MySQL, right out of the box. Okay, so what I also want to show you is how all this can be mapped and wrapped in your app model. So in my app model, I have other models that I have wired here, the user model and the context model. So if you're coming from an Angular background, you already have an idea of how we bind these models with services and let everything work together. So that's basically what I wanted to show you this morning, that what I'm working on. And if you look, here is the result. I have added Swagger to this application. That's why we can have the API documented nicely, and we can access it. Yeah, we can access this API. I can yeah, so this is cool. So thanks guys, thanks for taking our time to watch this. And if you have questions, as I said, just drop it on the comment section so that we can know in what areas we can share our knowledge with you. So, but I have some suggestions. I want to do a video on how you can be able to wire up a NestJs application and get it run, and to be able to set up your first controller on NestJs, and to be able to set up your first injectable service, to be able to connect to your database, in which case I'm going to show you how to connect to Mysql, connect to Postgre, connect to MongoDB. And I'm also going to create a video on how to create your first repository, and then I'll create a video on how to document your APIs with Swagger, and also how to protect these APIs with authentication using NestJs middleware. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.